What's up, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money without a job. That's right. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I just want to say welcome. Hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up as well. And you will be notified every time I make a video. So what I talk about on this channel is how to make money, entrepreneurship, and basically I'm always trying to help people out and find ways how I can help you to earn some money, whether it's online or offline. So I always share great tips and ideas. All right. So for all my regulars, good to see you again. So I'm going to jump into things right away and I'm going to share with you how to make money without a job. All right. So first thing first, the first thing that we're going to be doing right now is jumping into what I'm going to be talking about. And the website is called no other than eBay. So on eBay, right, you can sell unwanted stuff on eBay. So whether you have some old clothes, and I'm sure there's people that is watching this video have a ton of clothes in storage or in your closet that you're not wearing anymore. There's people out there who would actually buy clothes and shoes off eBay. So you can list it on here for a price and you can make money with it. Also, if you have any old equipment as well, so maybe it's, let's say, you know, you have an old speaker, you have some old appliances, or whatever it is that you want to sell, feel free to add them on here as well. You can earn and you can make money just by selling unwanted stuff here on eBay. All right, so check it out. So the next website I'm going to show you guys, this one is called Gazelle, right? Gazelle. So what Gazelle is, right? Gazelle is a website that buys smartphone, or you could sell your smartphone, right? If you look right here, I have two phones and I could go on here and I could sell one of them. And if you look through here, there's people on here that is basically selling their phones left and right. So if you want to buy a phone, you click on here. If you want to sell your phone, you click on here. So let's say you want to sell, because this video is all about how to make money without a job, right? So if you look, it's not only that, it's not only cell phones. If you have other devices as well, right? Smartphones or other devices, look in here. You see sell your device in minutes. So you can sell your iPhone. You could sell your Samsung, right? Sell other cell phone, sell an iPad, tablet. You could sell your MacBook, right? Or you could sell your Mac computer. So if you go through here, what they do, how it works, right? Get an offer. It takes less than a minute, as they say. I'm sure it's probably going to be longer. Ship it free. It's free for items that worth, $1 or more. And you get paid fast. So how they pay by Amazon gift card, and they also pay by PayPal. All right, so that's pretty unique. So sell cell phone, sell other devices. So check it out, Gazelle.com. So the next website I'm going to be talking about, this one is called Swagbucks. Swagbucks is where you do like surveys, right? So you could sign up, you can put your name, put your password, confirm, you can sign up, and they have like a $10 bonus here. So you could sign up. There's lots and lots of different surveys that you can fill out, right? You can redeem your points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal. So they also pay in PayPal as well. So it's pretty cool. So you also can earn a $90 a month just by watching videos. Right? I don't know how long the videos are, and I don't know how many videos you have to watch per day, but you can make $90 per month just by watching videos. And I'm sure a majority of you watch a lot of YouTube videos, and you probably watch your favorite movies or your favorite TV show. I'm not saying to stop doing that, but however, you can schedule that in your time to make some money and collect a $90 extra every single month. So Swagbucks, sign up for that. The next website I'm going to be talking about is Fiverr. I'm sure you guys seen it in a couple of my videos before, and other YouTubers are talking about this. And I cannot stress enough that Fiverr, you can make money on Fiverr without a job, right? You can make money without a job using this website. And there's a lot of different freelancing jobs on here that you can use. Believe it or not, people will pay you for your skill set, right? They will pay you for your skill set. Just like me. If I want to get someone to create some, let's say, let me just jump on my Instagram channel, right? So let's say I'm on Instagram right now. And these motivational quote, by the way, shout out to this person, by the way. I don't know who it is, but let's say this person right here, or someone would like to create motivational quotes and they want to create a logo. People will pay you money just to create this. You can actually make 20 bucks for, you can give someone a package. Maybe you want to create $1 per one, or 20 for 30 of them. People will actually pay you money. And I'm not gonna lie, I use Fiverr a lot because sometimes I need some things to get done. And because everybody knows that I work full-time online, and my wife as well, we work full-time online, right? And we have a 16-month-old baby as the time you watching this video. We don't have time to do everything. And as a business owner and someone who's trying to grow and scale your business, you cannot take and do everything. You have to outsource your business, right? Sometimes if you want to know how to write, let's say write emails, right? Sale copies. Like, look at this, sale copies. And what are sales copy? Sales copy, or if you've seen, some of the ads on Facebook, or you've seen an ad on Instagram, and you see like a little title that says, hey, by the way, I was doing XYZ at a certain time, and then I found this, and sign up for my free course, yada, yada, yada. So this is what these people do, right? Now look at this, 50 bucks a head, $5, right up to 500 words, $5, $50, so there's different prices. People on here create videos. I cannot stress enough. So check out Fiverr for sure, and you could do that. So for homeowners, right? Homeowners, this one is definitely for you. And you guys can make money without a job, because especially for people who are going into retirement and you have a large house, you can still earn some money with it. Sign up for Airbnb, right? You could sign up, and you can become a host. As you can see right here, you can become a host, and they will give you all the information that you're going to be needing. So Airbnb, you can sign up for that, and you can rent your properties, right? If you live in a nice location where people visit all year round, and people are constantly looking for places. And even if you don't live in like a city, or believe it or not, people will actually find, and you will be listed on Airbnb, because they have the app. When they search for a close Airbnb nearby, guess what? You will pop up, right? So you can, maybe you have like a room that you want to rent out, feel free, you can make extra money just by renting out your room. So Airbnb is a great way to make some money without a job. All right. So the next website, and this one, right? This website is called inspiredopinions.com. Inspired Opinion is how should I say it? It's a focus group, right? So it is a focus group where people actually pay you to give opinions on things that you like and things that you don't like. So you can participate. Maybe they have some locations within your area, so you can go there and give your opinions, or you could do it from your home, because sometimes they will call you on your phone and you just get an opinion. So what do you need, right? You can participate online from your computer, and right, you could participate on a telephone, or you can participate in person. So I just said it and I just reiterate it. So check out, you know, all these three, 1, 2, 3, whichever way you can do it. So yeah, just give your opinions, things you like, things you don't like. And I see most people on Facebook, you know, they're always like chiming in. This is a great way to earn some money, right? Without having a job. Right? And that's a great way how you can earn some money. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, right? And if you do, hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and make sure you turn on that bell notification. Thanks for watching. Andre, have a good night, have a good day, have a good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. Peace out. Talk to you soon.